y prime equals derivative of s equals 1. Derivative of tangent s is secant square of s, right? Now you can leave the answer like this, or if you see different answers in the answer choice, you could use the formula 1 plus tangent square of s equals secant square of s, right? So then I substitute this guy for secant square of s, so I have y prime equals 1 minus tangent square of s, so it's going to be negative tangent square of s, alright? This guy or this guy, they both work, alright? Now, question B, y prime equals, we're going to use the product rule, right? So it could be derivative of s times secant s plus derivative of secant s times s, right? So it's going to be secant s plus secant s tangent s times s. I put s in the front so that we're not going to confuse this guy and this guy, okay? So you can have a secant s out. So it's going to be 1 plus s tangent s, right? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine.